Alright, this is 2014 Panini Elite Extra Edition break number 3, one box break. Break number 1, we had 10 autos, only 6 guaranteed. Last week we had another 8 autos, so 2 good boxes in a row. Let's keep that up. Good luck, everybody. Checking out. Empty box. And we also have a USA patch card in here. First one was randomed off, as it was just a youngster. Second one has been signed by the Dodgers, so that went to the Dodgers. Maybe an auto right on top. Alright, stack number 1. Let's go stack number 2. I hope we get some good autos today. There's so many good choices. With the Cubs, you got possibilities from Chris Bryant, Kyle Scherber. Nets, you got a Michael Conforto possibility. Astros, you got, of course, Carlos Carrera possibility. Even, which we just had in the last break, we got Carlos Rodon possibly. Actually, and many more. Such a great, pretty inexpensive product. Comes with 6 autos. I mean, you can't complain, especially when you get 10 autos or 8 autos. Down the bottom. Something good there. Something good here. These packs are both upside down, except for the auto. Let's put those on the bottom. It's end good. Alright, let's start this up. Good luck, everybody. Okay, we got a little Cody Reed, Zach Curtis, a little Tyler Kolek inserts. Going to Miami Marlins. Numbered. Luke Dykstra, Wall, Rondon, Keither. Alright. This could be our first auto. It is a die cut. Going to Seattle Mariners. Gareth Morgan. We got an auto on there. Yes, we do. Congratulations. Seattle Mariners. Number 17 out of 100. Very nice auto. Seattle Mariners. Die cut auto. That is auto number 1. Alright, let's keep them going. Little Jordan Brink, Peyton, Steen, Jorge Soler, and die cut. Going to Toronto Blue Jays. Max Pentecost. Number 25 out of 200. Focus, please. Alright, that is number 25 out of 200. Camera doesn't want to cooperate. Alright, congratulations. Toronto Blue Jays, little die cut there. Non-auto. Alright, next was just a dummy card. Alright, little Jack Jewell, Gareth Morgan, Mac James, Mike Strench. Alright, we have our next auto. When we save it for a little bit. Jeff Brigham, Trace Lohair, little Dalton Pompey, Dan, little Luke Weaver, St. Louis Mariners insert, not numbered. Dermis Garcia, Jay Fry, Henkins, Padlo, Kivitz. Still got our auto right here. Little Holder, Downs, Limbrandt, Sushi, Priganto. Alright, next up, it's a little Jake Peter. Is it an auto? Yes, it is. Little Jake Peter. Going to Chicago, number 17 out of 199. I mean 799, I'm sorry. 17 out of 799. Come on. There you go. Now it's focusing. 17 out of 799. That should be Chicago White Sox, but he's wearing black. I will verify that. You guys can too by checking out the checklist. Alright, that's our second auto. Should have at least 4 more autos. This is a dummy card. Looks like we got another auto coming up. Okay, Casey Solitis, Trevano, Thomas, Gomes. Alright, another auto right here. Oh, maybe not. Is this the upside down card? Anyway, a little Jeff Brigham going to Los Angeles Dodgers, I believe. Wearing blue. Numbered 192 out of 799 again. Congratulations, Los Angeles Dodgers of Los Angeles. And that is auto number 3. We got the White Sox, Mariners, and now the Dodgers. Congratulations. Alright, we got a little Jake Peter, Ray, Anderson, Gomes, and dummy card. Alright, are these autos? Who knows? Okay, first up, we got Sam Howard, Colorado Rockies. Auto. Number 263 out of 799. Now it doesn't want to focus again. What are you focusing on? Yeah. 263 out of 799. There you go. Congratulations, Colorado Rockies. Getting in on the action. Alright, let's keep on going on. Little Trevino Bravast. These ones are upside down, but I'm pretty sure they are not not autos. So let's not get our hopes up because the auto is the other way for some reason. Chris Ellis, Alfaro, Luplo, and Peters. Next auto going to Arizona Diamondbacks. Matt Riley. Number 2 out of 100 die cuts. 2 out of 100. Likes to focus on these die cuts. Congratulations, Arizona. That is Diamondbacks. That's already auto number 5 on the first stack. Alright, let's hope we get some more autos in the second stack. Okay, Hawken, Walker, little Matt Pentecost insert, not numbered. Zagunis, Allen, Pompey, Burke. So we got a purple die cut here. Going to Boston Red Sox, Sam Travis, number 139 out of 150. Congratulations, Boston Red Sox. So we got another possible auto coming up. Oh, still got this dummy card. Alright, little Jake Reed, Salas, Robinson, Lemond. Alright, might have a USA autograph possibly. Mark Zientos, 15U, born in 99. This might have to be random off. Number 33 out of 199. Not on card auto. But this might be up for grabs if he's with the 15U. Born in 99, only makes him 16 years old. I didn't check the month, but I gotta start back here. Yeah, okay. Trust me. It's number 33 out of 199. Little Mark Zientos, USA baseball autograph. That is already autograph number 6, but I have a feeling we are getting more. I already see at least one other turned over card. So this card will most likely be random off at the end. So good luck on that, everybody. Okay, little Gomber, Anton, George, Cole, and historical picks, Luis Gonzalez. Not numbered. I'd like to get one of those historical pick autographs, would be nice. Alright, next stack. Little Lara, Wilson, Mahel, Sands. Could this be another auto? Going to Miami, Tyler Kolek. And it is. Very nice auto. 13 out of 25. Elite expectations. Congratulations, Miami. 13 out of 25. Very nice auto. That is our 7th auto already. Great stuff. Again goes the Miami Marlins. Tyler Kolek. Number 13 out of 25. Very nice hit, Miami. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, we got a little Rayleigh, Campbell, Griner, Adrian Rondon. Next up, not an auto, but die cut. Blue die cut going to Cleveland Indians. Number 15 out of 100. Nice card, Cleveland Indians. Little Austin Fisher. Number 15 out of 100. Blue die cut. Alright, let's keep going. Let's see if we get any more autos. Could be another auto coming up again. Very nice. Pujols, Fisher, Stokes, Clay. Colorado Rockies. They're getting another hit. Wes Rogers. Is this another auto? Alright, Wes Rogers. That's auto number 8. Number 16 out of 499. Going to Colorado Rockies. Look at that. Wes Rogers. Alright, let's get some of these stars that are in the league already. Would be nice. What auto is that? I'm losing count. 3. It's auto number 8. Very nice. We still at least have the USA patch card. I see it already myself, but let you guys wait. Little Joe Panic, Kopech, little Murphy, Coley, little Aaron Nola, Philadelphia Elite Series. Insert, not numbered. Logan Moon, Norwood, Schaefer, Ferguson, little dummy card. Alright. USA patch card. Austin Smith, 18U national team. 18U, probably picked up already by somebody. Let me tell you who's getting this card. Austin Smith. Dun 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 dun. Could be the Padres, blah, blah, blah. Oh, very nice. Yeah, going to San Diego Padres. Congratulations, San Diego, getting the Austin Smith. He's number 47th overall pick. Yeah, only the 4th high school pitcher selected with the Padres' top pick since 1987. He was rated number 47 by Baseball America. Alright, congratulations San Diego. You are getting the Austin Smith. Alright, we still got a little stack. I think there's actually another auto in there. Can't guarantee it, but this other stack was half upside down. Yeah, maybe not another auto. It's probably just another numbered die cut though. Can't complain about that. Low numbered die cut. Hopefully it's an auto. It is not. Curtis, O'Hare, Conrad, Graves. For the Arizona Diamondbacks, a little Marcus Wilson. Die cut, emerald green. Number 14 out of 25. Another nice low numbered. I thought you liked these die cuts. There you go. Marcus Wilson, Arizona, 14 out of 25. Nice hit. Alright, still we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 autos again. And 6 of those should be on-card autos, which they look like. Alright, let's just finish this pack up. Grulon and Ewing. Alright, everybody. Congratulations. We had the Miami non-on-card auto, but number to 25 going to Miami. Tyler Kolek. Auto 1. Auto 2. We are randoming off. Let's not forget about it. Number 33 out of 199. USA Baseball. Sam Howard. On-card auto. Colorado. Numbered to 799. Colorado again. Number to 499. Wes Rogers. That's a non-card on-card auto. Matt Riley. Non-on-card auto, number to 100. Little Jake Peter, Chicago White Sox, number to 799. Jeff Brigham, Los Angeles Dodgers, number to 799. Gareth Morgan, Seattle, number to 100. And then, of course, we had our die cuts, 3 numbered die cuts. Going to Cleveland, number to 100. Toronto, number to 200. Boston, number to 150, and Arizona, number to 25. Congratulations. And the patch card going to San Diego Padres. Alright, guys. 1 card to random off. Let's fix this. Let me throw my baseball selection in there. No. Again, here we go. We're going to random off the USA Baseball card, number 399. Mark Zientos, 33 out of 199. Alright, we're going to do this 5 times. Team on the top wins the card. Alright, let's just check. That was number 1. Let's just make sure all your teams are there. Alright, see. All 30 teams are there. You got it. Good. Alright, that's number 1. Let's go. Number 2. Again. Angels. Number 3. Reds. Good luck. 4. Houston. Alright, and the final one. After this, top 1 gets the card. And it is Toronto Blue Jays. Got another hit. Congratulations. Toronto Blue Jays getting the Mark Vientos USA signed card, number 33 out of 199. Alright, guys. There it is. This card is going to Toronto Blue Jays. Congratulations. Alright, guys. Appreciate it. We had another good break again with 3, 6, 7, 8 autos. We like it. One of them numbered to 25. Alright, appreciate your bidding, and we'll see you guys next week. And I'm also